Good afternoon, all of us. Before we start our meeting, it will be better I am introduce myself. My name is Gilbert Sarutauruk, and our team of our company, Maju Jaya Furniture Company, say thank you very much for director of Bina Satria Company and your staff when who given time and opportunity to establish business relationship about wood as raw material of finished product of our company. I hope hopefully our discussion will be good way to good cooperation between us in the future. Maybe that's all, and thank you very much.
First of all, thank you to the director of PT Maju Jaya Furniture for entrusting us a director of raw materials research in the company where you work. Our company is certainly very happy and appreciative it. Of course, we will provide excellent service with quality wood that is legal to us. We also hope that our contract with this meeting will continue until the agreement of both parties.
Sir, yes. As a buyer, we will be explain what we need in our corporation. In the first, I gave chance to Miss Mega. Miss Mega, the time is yours.
Well, thanks Director for giving me time opportunity. Well, here I will describe the raw materials components we need for our finished product, namely. Here our company first needs 5,000 units to manufacture 1,000 table using fine wood. The second 1,500 units to manufacture 2,000 doors using mahogany, and the third our company requires 2,000 units to product 100 cabinets using this type of teak wood.
Well, thank you for the request from your company regarding the price of raw material. For that request, previously we will try explain of your company request, which is shown on the screen. Okay, here the first our company open this price for 1 unit of finished wood price of 70,000. So the total according to the request is 350 million rupiah. Secondly, for 1 unit mahogany wood, we open the price of 5,500 rupiah, and the third for the purchase of 1 unit of teak wood, we open it a price of 100,000. So the total request was 200 million rupiah. So this is roughly the price per unit that we offer to your company.
Okay, thank you. First of all, I would like to thank PT Bina Satria, especially Ms. Pedrina, for explaining the price per unit for each different type for wood. But when it comes to asking for a price reduction, because the price your company offers to our company is too expensive and high. especially in the current COVID era. You know that COVID era makes us have to anticipate for possibilities that occur. Most people really buy household furniture because of unstable financial conditions.
You can compare price from other wood supply companies. The quality of our wood processed by our company is guaranteed to be durable, good, and always satisfy customers to buy the types of wood we have and produce.
When compared to other timber companies and differing much more extensively, what makes these companies' raw material price more expensive?
Well, of course, our company dares to make prices that are more expensive and different from other companies because there are several factors that are taken into consideration in making the price. One of which is the cost of transportation. The cost of transporting this wood directly from the forest, and it is so far away that it takes a long time and is high risk, as shown in the screenshot. Here the first is for the type. On pine wood as many as 5,000 units. The transportation cost is 50 million with an installation period of 1 month. The second is for the type of mahogany as much as 1,500 units. The transport cost is 20 million with an installation period of 20 days, and the type of teak as many as 2,000 units with a transportation cost of 30 million with an installation period of 25 days. So this is approximately the price of transportation costs that are considered in making our company prices.
Well, we know that transportation costs greatly impact the company wood purpose because we have an overview of the extreme of road wear and affordability in product mobilization. Therefore, we want you to explain that are other factors of cost which significantly affect the price of wood as you have discussed. Thank you.
Okay, here the first is for the type of pine wood as many as 5,000 units. The processing cost is 450 million with an explanation period of 1 month. The second is for the type of mahogany as much as 1,500 units. The processing cost is 100 million with a broad explanation 20 days, and the third for the type of teak as much as 2,000 units. The processing cost is 350 million with an exploitation period of 25 days. So this is approximately the price of the processing costs that are considered in making the price of your company.
Okay, well, first of all, I would like to thank PT Bina Satria Abadi Sentosa for explaining the transportation cost and processing cost for the types of wood offered to us. However, although I would like to ask for price reduction because the price your offer is so expensive, especially for thick wood. Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Well, at the request PT Maju Jaya Furniture, after we consider our company careful with the field technical staff, management, and account, we will display the revisit of price as seen on the screen. Okay, this is the revision of the price we gave to our company. The first is for the type of pine wood, as many as 5,000 units. We make price per unit 60,000. So according to the request, is became 300 million rupiah. The third to the types of mahogany wood, as much as 1,500 units. We make price per unit 50,000. So according to demand, is became 75 million rupiah. And the third to the type thick wood, as much as 2,000 units. Price per 80,000. So according to the request, is become 160,000 rupiah. On this explains that is the price unit that is revisit from your result of negotiations from our company.
Okay, the price that your company has described is reasonable to raise, considering the current high demand for wood, especially during the current COVID era. So you can accept it with the question of costing as well. However, we are considered about the theory of vegetables because from the beginning of the discussion, one has explained the legal aspect of timber and permits and so on. Can you explain what legal suggestions you have? Thank you.
Okay, well, here I will display the timber legality certificate from our company as seen on the screen. Okay, I will explain the legality certificate from our company. Regarding the legal aspect, our timber legality certificate system or CVLK functions to ensure the wood product and their raw materials obtained or come from source whose origins and management meet legal aspect. Article 21 of Law number 13 years 2013, everyone is prohibited from using timber result from illegal logging and or illegal use of the forest as organizing from conservation forest. A timber legality verification system is implemented in Indonesia to ensure that all timber products circulating and trade in Indonesia have a convincing legality status. Consumer abroad do not longer need to doubt the legality of wood originating from Indonesia. That is all, and thank you.
Okay, thanks to Ms. Febrina for explaining the legality in detail. Here, I want to convey about the plan. Of time the cooperation between your company and our company. We want the time period to be 1 year because the material for our finished products will be produced next year and replaced by foreign importers. Thank you.
We will agree with our past life can only accommodate. I thank you.
Okay, all right. We are agree for 2 years because this will also be very helpful for our company expansion in the future. I think that's enough, and thank you.
Okay, all right. From the result of our negotiation earlier, we are agree your company is willing to accept and provide a price from our company request to the strength our cooperative relationships. We want to try to enter into contract relationship between our company so that in the future there is no trouble. That's all, and thank you.
Well, sir, I'm happy. Your office is very good. Our company should enter into a cooperation contract so that in the future there will be no problem.
Okay, ma'am. As you can see on the screen, our company have made MOU. So, what's your company opinion? What are any objection to sentence or correction regarding the MOU, ma'am?
According to our company, it's look good, sir, in accordance with the laws and sanctions listed in the attachment to the MOU.
Yes, okay, ma'am. Thank you. Because our Zoom meeting did not say anything, so later I will send my team, Ms. Pasca Halawa, to deliver any documents that your company will need the since letter. Thank you.
All right. Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. With the end in this cooperation agreement, as a representative, we are very happy to work with your company. Hopefully, in the future, cooperative relationship will always good, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, sure. From our company, we are also very grateful for trusting us a manufacturer of furniture raw material from a good company.
Okay, ma'am Elizabeth. We end in this meeting. I say thank you very much and good afternoon all of us. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. We end my team back to life, sir. Good afternoon. Thank you.